Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this video, we explore how individuals and businesses can generate income through carbon credits. You'll gain an understanding of what carbon credits are and how they play a role in sustainable agriculture. The guide will walk you through each step of the process, from initial setup to earning and trading credits. By the end, you'll be equipped with practical knowledge to start your journey in the carbon credit market. Carbon credits are permits that represent the right to emit a specific amount of carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases. Typically, one carbon credit allows for the emission of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide. These credits are part of a broader effort to reduce global greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. By limiting the total number of credits available, governments and organizations can encourage companies to lower their emissions or invest in cleaner technologies. Carbon credits can also be traded, creating a financial incentive for businesses to reduce their environmental impact. The carbon credit market is designed to incentivize the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions by assigning a monetary value to each ton of carbon dioxide avoided or removed. Key players in this market include governments, regulatory bodies, project developers, and companies seeking to offset their emissions. Regulations set standards for how credits are generated, verified, and traded, ensuring transparency and credibility. Trading typically occurs on specialized platforms where buyers and sellers negotiate prices based on supply and demand. This system enables organizations to meet environmental targets while supporting projects that contribute to global sustainability. Carbon credits are certificates that represent the reduction of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide or its equivalent in other greenhouse gases. There are two main types of carbon credits: voluntary and compliance credits. Voluntary credits are purchased by individuals or organizations who wish to offset their emissions beyond regulatory requirements, often to meet sustainability goals. Compliance credits, on the other hand, are used by entities that are legally required to reduce their emissions under government or international regulations. These credits are generated through projects such as reforestation, renewable energy, or methane capture, which actively reduce or avoid greenhouse gas emissions. Farmers, landowners, and businesses have the opportunity to participate in carbon credit programs by adopting sustainable practices. These initiatives encourage activities such as reforestation, improved soil management, and reduced emissions, which help capture or prevent the release of carbon dioxide. By implementing these methods, participants can generate carbon credits that represent measurable environmental benefits. These credits can then be sold or traded, providing an additional source of income while supporting global efforts to combat climate change. The first step is to assess your eligibility for participating in carbon credit programs. Begin by researching the specific criteria set by these programs, which often include requirements related to project location, scale, and environmental impact. It's important to understand what types of projects qualify, such as renewable energy initiatives, reforestation efforts, or energy efficiency improvements. Carefully reviewing these guidelines will help determine whether your project meets the necessary standards. This foundational step ensures you are prepared to move forward in the application process. Implementing sustainable practices is essential for addressing environmental challenges. Reforestation helps restore natural habitats and increases carbon absorption, while regenerative agriculture improves soil health and promotes biodiversity. Methane reduction strategies, such as optimizing livestock management and waste treatment, can significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions. These examples demonstrate practical approaches that contribute to a healthier planet and more resilient ecosystems. Measuring and verifying your impact is a crucial step in any sustainability initiative. Accurate measurement allows organizations to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and ensure that goals are being met. Reporting these results transparently builds trust with stakeholders and demonstrates accountability. Third-party verification adds an extra layer of credibility confirming that the reported outcomes are reliable and unbiased. Together, these practices help maintain integrity and drive continuous improvement in environmental and social performance. Registering your project is a crucial step in the carbon offset process. To begin, you'll need to enroll your project with a recognized carbon registry, which ensures transparency and credibility. Each registry has specific documentation requirements, including proof of project ownership, emissions reduction calculations, and monitoring plans. Carefully review these guidelines to ensure your submission is complete and accurate. Meeting these standards will help your project gain official recognition and facilitate the issuance of carbon credits. Once you have accumulated carbon credits, the next step is to sell them. There are several marketplaces available where you can list your credits, each offering different features and pricing structures. It's important to research these platforms to find the best fit for your needs, whether you prefer direct sales, auctions, or trading. Understanding the market demand and the value of your credits can help you maximize your profit. By choosing the right marketplace and timing your sale, you can effectively turn your carbon credits into a valuable financial asset. Carbon credits offer a unique opportunity for organizations and individuals to generate revenue by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The value of these credits can vary significantly, influenced by factors such as market demand, project type, certification standards, and geographic location. To maximize your returns, it's important to choose high-quality projects, ensure proper verification, and stay informed about evolving regulations and market trends. Strategic partnerships and transparent reporting can also enhance credibility and increase the price of your credits. By understanding these dynamics, you can make informed decisions and optimize your earnings from carbon credits. Navigating the carbon credit market presents several challenges, including issues with transparency, inconsistent standards, and the risk of purchasing invalid or poorly verified credits. Participants may also encounter difficulties in tracking regulatory changes and ensuring proper documentation for compliance. To avoid these pitfalls, it is essential to work with reputable registries, conduct thorough due diligence, and stay informed about evolving industry guidelines. Regular audits and clear record keeping can further help maintain compliance and protect against costly errors. By understanding these common obstacles and implementing best practices, organizations can participate confidently and responsibly in the carbon credit market. Across the globe, both individuals and organizations have harnessed the power of carbon credits to achieve remarkable results. For example, farmers in Brazil have adopted sustainable practices, earning carbon credits that provide additional income while preserving the rainforest. Companies like Microsoft have invested in carbon offset projects, helping them meet climate goals and enhance their corporate reputation. Small businesses have also benefited, turning environmental responsibility into a competitive advantage. These real-world success stories demonstrate how carbon credits can drive positive change and financial growth. Navigating the carbon credit market can be made easier with the right support and information. Numerous resources and tools are available to guide newcomers, ranging from online platforms that track market prices to educational materials explaining key concepts. Organizations such as the Verified Carbon Standard and Gold Standard provide frameworks for certification and transparency. Additionally, industry associations and advisory groups offer networking opportunities and expert guidance. Leveraging these resources can help you build a strong foundation and increase your chances of success in the carbon credit market. For ongoing support and expert insights, subscribing to SMART-AGRI Hub will keep you informed with the latest guides and innovations in the industry.